Hello my dear students and welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes, and today's question is from the ISI JRF examination. And let me warn you in advance, ISI don't just ask question. ISI plays mind games with your confidence, and in this examination easy looking questions are the most dangerous one, and the complex numbers behave like the unpredictable friends. So stay alert. Okay, so come to the question first. Question says, find the real and imaginary parts of root I to the power root I. Okay, so we will solve this together. Now first we take the square root of I, okay, then we raise it to the power I. So mathematics today is clearly not in a stable mood. So when you see like a complex number raised to a complex power, don't panic. Just remember one golden rule. Convert everything into the exponential form. Okay. Now any complex number can be written in the exponential form using the angle and the magnitude. Especially I can be written as an exponential using its angle on the Argand plane. Okay. Now we know that I corresponds to an angle of 90 degrees. Right? So in exponential thinking, we treat it as a rotation of 90 degrees. Okay. Now complex numbers are not just numbers, they are rotations, and that's why the exponential form works like magic. Now when we take the square root, the angle gets divided by 2. So 90 degree becomes what? 45 degrees. Now comes the fun part. We raise this to the power I. Now when I comes in the exponent, something special happens. It introduces a negative sign because I multiplied by I becomes -1, right? Now suddenly a complex expression turns into a pure real number. So this is the moment students either feel genius or confused. So after the simplification we get a positive real number which is exponential of -pi/4. So real part is what? Real part is that value, and the imaginary part is 0. Okay. Now complex powers don't mean the result is complex. Sometimes it becomes completely real, and ISI loves this trick. Okay. Now students usually try to square root of the -1 directly and get stuck. Okay. And usually students forget the exponential form and they panic when they see I in the exponent. So don't panic. Structure saves you. Right? Now this question actually tests the understanding of the angles in the complex plane, the exponential representation, and the behavior of imaginary exponents. Right? So this is not calculation, this is thinking in the complex number. So today we learned I is not just root -1, it's a rotation. Okay, and the power I is secretly a magician, and ISI questions look small but attack deeply. So in the next class we will again challenge mathematics, and I hope it behaves nicely. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question of ISI JRF Physics and Applied Mathematics. Okay, till then keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. See you in the next session.